We've got some recycling ideas that you may want to give a try. Instead of throwing that plastic bucket away, you can make something beautiful with it. Jute strings, a hot glue gun and cardboard will come in handy for this project. What an amazing result! Let's learn how to make a table lamp now, shall we? It's truly incredible how easy it is to be done. Let's see what the next idea is. The way she's covering a balloon with jute strings is making us even more curious for the result. There's enough ideas that you can choose from, so choose your favorite and give it a try. Talk about a beautiful toilet paper holder. Wondering what the combination of sticks and a plastic bucket will end up looking like? Now that's an incredible flower pot. It's an amazing feeling to recycle items and end up with unique-looking items. This has definitely left us speechless. Every time you see the item that you made yourself, you'll be filled with pride. Plus, you know you're the only person with that super unique product. We all know how bad plastic is for the planet. So why not use it to make something beautiful instead? Plastic bags fall in this category as well. This has got to be the most unique-looking flower pot we've ever seen. Let's see what the last idea has in store for us. What a gorgeous outcome!